These are the point I have noted down, okay? Because this why I want to discuss. I want to highlight what will be your level of hard work required. So for college passed out people, in first time they will never get to learn everything. It's very difficult for them to understand. Even for us, it is very difficult to get to know everything in fast learning. Okay, so I will suggest them for this category of the people, at least go for 2 time training. First time training you take, better try to go for individual job, and again take one more time training and focus on the consulting kind of learning. So 2 time I'll focus for this kind of people to learn. In one time you'll never learn. 2 time learning. For end user, yes, they have, since they are using the SAP, these people should work very hard. They have to work very hard. One misconception this categories people have na, are trained candidate. Let's say one more group is called trained candidate. Who are already trained also. Those people are also taking training. Trained candidate, but not got a job. These three kind of category people have one problem. They will think that they know everything. Okay, I have seen many trained candidates, they will approach to us that I need to learn SAP, but I know only few thing I don't know, they will tell. Okay, really there are few people they know many things, but only few things they really don't know. But 99% are who are telling that I know many things but I don't know few things. In fact, they know only few things, they don't know many things. Okay, they know only basic from somewhere and they believe that they know many things in SAP. That is absolutely wrong. This is one perception, wrong perception these trained candidates have. And end user who are already working in SAP as an end user, whatever 560 course these people know, and they feel that they know whole SAP consulting content, they know. That is another problem with this no end user people. They know only 560 course and they feel that that is all about the SAP. It is very difficult to convince this end user people. They always think that the T course which they know that 560 course is only all the consulting requirement they feel. So I want to tell all these end users, please, what you know is just not even 0.0001% also. Okay, consulting is very vast. Okay, in one time even you may also not understand, you may need to go 2 times. Okay, these people should go at least 2 times up to here. They have to also go for 2 time training. Okay, one time, if it is very in detail, if you have practiced very well every day, then 1 time is okay. Otherwise, if you want to be perfect, then you need to go for 2 time training. Okay, I myself has taken 4 time training. Okay, so now trained candidate, this candidate 1 time is enough because they have already taken training, so they can go for 1 time training if they feel that they are lacking. Okay, so 1 time training. For experienced people also 1 time training. So you have to, I mean, whenever you are planning to learn, you have to make the strategy. Content is very vast. In 1 time you will not be able to learn everything. Here I'm not telling you will not be able to learn, that is general perception I'm telling. Why I'm telling, listen very carefully, I'm not scaring you, I'm just going to tell few things. Right now I have very less student in this group. Otherwise, listen, by the time I finish 1 month, okay, by the time I finish 1 month, only 10% of you will be practicing every day. Okay, 90% of you You take the course in the beginning very lightly. You would have not practiced continuously. After 1 month, you will be like completely what the hell you are learning. You will not understand anything because first 1 month you just wasted. You didn't practice anything. You didn't listen class correctly. So after 1 month, you'll be completely blank. And once you miss the chain, once you miss the sequence, the rest of all the classes will be useless for you. You will just come, listen, you will not ask any question, you will not understand anything. Okay. So please practice every day. It is very, very important. Okay. 90% of students, they lose the hope once we reach something called AP topic. Okay, there is topic called APP, automatic payment program. By the time we reach there, 90% students lose their hope. But in my class, by the time I try to finish basic only, people lose the hope. It depends on contents. So please practice every day, listen carefully, ask the question, be very attentive, then only you enjoy the course. Otherwise, it will be very, very difficult. Okay. Even if you try to know cover up after 1 month, you'll not be able to cover. Because by the time I finish 1 month, it will become too late for you. So every day you practice, every day whatever topic I'm telling, revise, do the revision, watch the video, or at least go through this Excel sheet which I will be sending you. So this is very, very important for you. Okay. Otherwise, after 1 month, and another question, what I am training today, most of the students, they will start practicing after 1 month. So today question, today topic, they will ask after 1 month, after 2 months. That is also wrong. Please practice every day. After practicing, if you have doubt, you can ask even after 2 months also, after 3 months also. But if you are practicing after 3 months, today topic, and you are asking after 3 months, then that is something not right. Okay. So please practice every day correctly. Now, Jitish has rightly told few points. Okay. Practice is required. Very high practice is required. In detail practice is required. Lot of reading you have to do. Okay. Syllabus is really, really vast. I agree with Jitish. It is too vast. That's the reason I'm telling. Freshers, they will not understand. Okay, they will not understand completely. Who are college passed out, they will not understand complete SAP in one time. Okay, they will grab very basic thing. Okay, then less job for freshers. Why this is the less job for freshers? There is reason. Let me tell you. Job for freshers. Now even for experienced people also they are doubting because of more fake candidates. If you are fake, at least you should have the knowledge. Let's see. Let's see. I'll tell you an example. Let's CA student. See, once you passed out as a CA, company knows that you have passed out a very tough exam. It means that you have capability. But same is not the case in the SAP. Okay, this is like for a candidate there is certification. Similarly, for trainer also, if there is certification or something, then only you're getting know what I'm trying to. So that is lacking. So here in the market, these are the challenges are there. So I don't know how long it will be there, but it is the challenge. Companies are not trusting. Candidates are not preparing well. Trainers, I don't know, but many, this is also problem. Okay, so if you prepare well, if you know, then definitely you will get job. There is no problem at all. You have to always understand you are a doctor. You are going to serve to your patient. Okay, client is your patient. So you have to always build very good knowledge. Practice very well. Very, very important. Now, when you get the job, how will get the job? You'll see here. First, you will directly see, let's say, Patanjali is a company. Okay. So sometime Patanjali will have its own in-house consulting. Okay. They will have their own IT department. So you may directly get job in the Patanjali. Okay. As an in-house consultant. As an in-house consultant. This is one way of getting job. Directly getting the job in the in-house consultant. Second, you may get a job in the IBM. IBM is working for the Patanjali. Okay. It is known as a IBM is you're working in IBM and Patanjali is your client. Here no client. You are the only client. You are not working for anyone. You are working for your own company. Okay, you are working for Patanjali. But in this scenario, you got the job in the IBM, but you are working for the Patanjali, or you are working for the PayPal. So this is where we say company and client relation. Okay, you are working here and it is your client. Okay. Then third kind of job you'll get, some you'll work on the contractual basis. Okay. Contractual basis means, let's say, let's say Magna software, Magna, let's say Grovel Softec. Okay. Let's say this is the Grovel Softec. You are working on payroll of this. Okay. This company deployed you in the IBM. Okay. This you are working on the payroll of Grovel Software. This company deployed you in the IBM, and you are working for the Patanjali. So here three layer is there. You are neither employees of IBM nor employee of Patanjali. You are employee of the Grovel Software. Okay, you are the employee of the Grovel Software. So you are known as a contractual employee in the IBM. So you'll get the job in this kind of format. Either you'll get job directly in some in-house consultant, or you'll get in the some consulting company job, or you'll get in the some payroll company will be something, and you'll be working for some company. Okay, so these are the, it depends. Some people will enjoy working as a in-house, some people enjoy working like this in the consulting company, some people enjoy working as a contractual. It has its own pros and cons. Let's say here Patanjali, you are working as an in-house consultant. Here you are not responsible for any client. You are only client. Patanjali users are your users. Okay. You are part of the Patanjali directly. Okay. So here people give respect. Your individual will give respect. They'll think that you are from the IT team. You are there to help them. But here, since you'll always be working for the Patanjali business process, you'll always be doing the monotonous work. But here IBM, if you are getting job in IBM, you are working for Patanjali. You may work only for 1 year for Patanjali, and next IBM have many clients. So you may next you may work for the Apple. In the IBM only, you may work for the Apple. So here you have more chance of learning new thing. First 1 year you work for Patanjali, then you work for Apple. Similarly, you will work for other clients. So you'll work for different clients. So you'll be having different knowledge. Okay. But it has one disadvantage. You'll always have target. That is the problem. You'll always have deadline. See, because your Patanjali will think that I'm paying money to IBM. So IBM should fix my issue. Okay. Here you were like family. Consultant users were like family. Here there are two family. IBM is one family, Patanjali is another family. Okay. So Patanjali is paying money to IBM. Definitely IBM has to, they have to oblige they have to follow what Patanjali is telling. So you'll always have pressure. Okay, you'll always have pressures here. And you'll also have pressures of learning new thing. Let's say you worked in Patanjali, you understood, you learned for 1 year, 2 year in Patanjali. Now you move to another project. Again, you have to start learning new thing here. You have to understand now Apple business process. So if you are lazy person, it become difficult for you to work in this kind of environment. If you are lazy, then go for this kind of in-house consulting. You can work 10 years, 20 years, same business process. But if you work company like this, then it is difficult for you if you are not willing to learn new thing. Because 1 year you are working in this project, next year you may work in another project, then another project. Okay, and here will also be little pressure will be there. Now this